this is IBM Museum. And I don't know if I'll turn this into a short or something else, but out of the 5 turbo PCMCIA token-ring adapters, I've got one so far to be recognized at least a little bit further, not necessarily as an unknown device. Now I doubt if the files may still be up, especially for the XP level for this, but at least it recognizes the adapter a little bit better here. And rather than just an unknown device. And I still do have one of these to go through. And, you know, maybe I just need to locate the magic software or something else that the drivers that these use. I'm going to go through and I'm going to try the last one I have here, and just every single one of the auto adapters I've tried, it's gone through and worked for those. So I'm going to need to locate some software and see, there's just nothing from that adapter. For the turbo. I was looking to even benchmark those side by side, and who knows, maybe there's some software that goes on there that you're required to install a little bit more that helps it with performance or something else too, but I don't know. So if you enjoyed a little bit of this video follow-up, go ahead and click on that like button, please. But this is IBM Museum. That's all I have for now. Thank you.